The next is word problems involving subtraction. Okay, word problem in sense they will give some of that small story like they'll give that, from that you have to read it properly, and what operations you have to do, that you have to think and do it. Okay, now I will read one of the problem here. See, Tina read 123 pages of her storybook. If her storybook has 300 pages in all, how many more pages does she need to read more to complete the book? What they are told, Tina read 123 pages. Okay, totally she read. Okay, if the total books, the book is there, no, what she read, it will be 300 pages, it will be here. Then how many pages still she has to read to complete the book? Means already 300 in the book, 123 she read, remaining is what? Right? So what you will do? 300 minus 123. Subtraction, that operation, what you need to do here? Subtraction. This is ones, tens and hundreds. What you will do? 0 minus 3, it won't go. What I told you, subtract, take the borrowing here. So this is 10. This is, what will happen there? 0 will be there. Now listen carefully. The 0 is there. What will happen then when you give to 1 this one, it won't go, it won't give first of all. Okay, the 0, actually this tens itself, it cannot go, you cannot give that borrowing. So this tens will ask the borrow from hundreds. Okay, so this hundreds will give first of all to tens. What will happen? This 10 will be then. This tens will be 1, 10 will be giving to one more. This is actually will be then 9. 10 minus 1 is 9, here 10, this is 2. Okay, one more time I will repeat, you just understand properly here. See, 300 it was there, 300. One more time I will repeat, listen, this 0 is there, this 0 minus 3 it won't go, this 0 can ask the borrow from tens, tens also 0, that 0 it doesn't have any value. Okay, this tens also wants to get what borrow from hundreds. Okay, 100 is ready to give because 3 number is 3 there. Okay, so first of all this hundreds cannot give directly to ones. Only that rule is the hundreds can give only to tens. Tens only can give to borrow to ones. That you have to understand. Directly it won't give. Right? But here what happens? First of all the hundreds will give to here. So what will happen here? So this will be becoming 10. Okay. This 10 will be now, this 10 wants to give, give to ones. So this 10 becomes 9. This becomes again 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 2 is again 7. Again this will be 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 177 is your answer. So 177 more pages to complete the book. You understand, guys? Little bit this is different, right? This concept is little bit different. Okay, one more word problem I will read. A fruit seller sold 5,276 fruits in January. He sold 8,325 fruits in February. Right. How many fruit did he sell in February? He sold 5,276 in January. And then he sold 8,325 fruits in February. How many more fruits? You have to compare the two numbers. Comparison in sense, obviously it will be going for difference. Right? Difference means subtraction, right? Yeah. You have to subtract the two numbers. Now, what is that? Number of fruits sold in January. How much? 8325. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousands. And this is minus 5,276. Okay. 5 minus 6, it won't go. It will be 15. This is 1 then. 15 minus 6 is 9. Right? This 1 minus 7, it won't go. Again they will be taking, this is 11, it will be this is 2. 11 minus 7 is 4. 2 minus 2, 0. Don't take it further. 2 minus 2 will be 0 only. Again don't take borrow from thousands. Okay. This is 8. I didn't touch this, right? 8 minus 5 is 3. So 3049 is your answer. Okay, that is the difference between January month and February month he sold. Okay, so these are all the word problems involving in subtraction. Now I am going to give addition and subtraction together. It is the last sum for this session. Okay, you have to understand properly here. Now I am going to read one question here. There were 5,000 sheets of paper. First imagine everything what I am telling, you have to imagine it, right? There are 5,000 sheets of paper. If Amit used 2,150 sheets and Anil used 300, one of the boy Amit used 2,150 and Anil used 300. Okay, how many sheets were left unused? Totally 5,000. Both of them use some pages. The remaining is what? That they are asking here. Okay, this is a problem involving addition and subtraction here. Since we need to find unused sheets, first we will find how many sheets have been used. First, you have to find how many sheets you have been used. So first of all, you have to add which one? 2,150 plus 300. They have used already. Okay. What is the number? 2,150 plus 300. You have to add the numbers. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Okay. 0 plus 0. Addition it is. 5, 4, this is 2. 2,450 they have used, and what they asked, how many sheets they left unused, right? So what you will do is, totally 5,000 pages are there. You have to subtract with this. You will be getting the answer which is not used. Okay, now you have to subtract. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 0 minus 0, 0 only. For that and all you should not take borrowing. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0 only. Okay, fine. Then 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5 it is there, but you have to take borrow. See again the same condition what I told you here. Here what is happening? 0 again. This 0 cannot give borrow. Already 0, nothing. Tens are hundreds only. He doesn't have anything. But again this 100 guy wants to get what? 1 from thousands. Then only he can give tens, right? Okay. Here what will happen? This becomes 4, this becomes 10, and this becomes 9, this becomes tens. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. So the answer is 2,550 pages sheets were left unused. Guys, you understand, guys? So this is a problem, verbal sums. It is this problems and all based on addition and the subtraction. I will tell you one more small example, right? In a school there are 1,200 boys and 957 girls are there. In the big school it is, right? 1,200 boys and 957 girls are there. Out of all, 1,532 went for a camp. Some camp they went. How many students remained in the school? You have to add first of all boys and girls. Totally you have to add the numbers. Then subtract with 1,532. Okay. So this way you have to do it. Okay guys, right? So that's it. You can understand, right, about the subtraction topic. That's it guys. Thank you.